looks calm and ready to drop bombs, but he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. But right over there where your wife is fishing, we're swimming. Yeah. On the other side, I've seen this monster. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I might try and fish for it, and then I might come and have a swim in the river as well. I think you've got the right idea here. Yeah. Pretty beautiful river. Beautiful. And my best fish of the day. Dry fly. Dry fly eat. Oh, nice one. Alright, buddy, don't worry. Yeah, on the dry fly. Yes. Beautiful fish. £1.25, my biggest so far. Wow. Alright, flies out. £3. Wow. So this morning's fishing, I had one of my greatest ever fly fishing moments. I caught that beautiful 3-pound brown after having fished really hard yesterday and didn't really catch any fish of, bigger than a pound. And last night I watched a video by a YouTuber that I really love called Old Dominion Trout Bum, a guy called Corey, I think. And he was talking about fishing a very short stretch and then at the end of it going back through it again with a mop fly to mop up. And I had some mop flies tied on Etsy six months ago, but I haven't had any luck with them. I tried them at Uncle Billy's and no luck. If you can't catch at Uncle Billy's on a fly, then I'm not really sure that it works. And I fished that run yesterday with a dry dropper. I remember thinking, wow, that's a good run to come back and practice my Euro nymphing on, because it's a big, long, flat run next to a wall. I went back this morning, Euro nymphed, and got one really early on, and then got one later on. And then as I was about to leave, so 10 to 8, I thought to myself, why don't I do what I saw Corey do last night and go through with a mop? So I had a red mop fly, and I went through and caught that beautiful brown. That's in a section I fished dry dropper last night, and I Euro nymphed it this morning. But I Euro nymphed it with a brown Duracell nymph, and today the mop fly is what the big brown was looking for. I'm just so excited.
All right, I've worked this run pretty well, I should say. So I'm gonna try to do a little cleanup with a mop. I'm gonna run that through there, see how we do with that.
I've walked downriver to Keeble's hut. Gonna fish back up the Swampy Plains, back up to the campsite. Great area if you want to see some of the historic huts, Kosciuszko huts, Keeble's, the Geehi hut, and then the other one between the Geehi and the Swampy Plains, Dr. Forbes hut. And I'd encourage you to join the Kosciuszko Huts Association, which is the group that look after these. These huts are all very special. They're all built with boulders from the river, so round or oval boulders from the river. So just like my earlier hiking videos, when I went to Wheeler's hut with my family members, there's evidence here of a very large trout that was caught in the river. For Wheeler's hut, it's outlines on like a bath outside, corrugated iron bath outside, but here it's painted on the door. Caught by Mrs. Nankervis, 11 Feb 54 on a dry Jock Scott, 8 pounds 14 ounces, nearly 9 pounds. Wow. By the way, if you do come down here in November, pack some antihistamines. My hay fever is off the charts with all the grass here. So yeah, pack something for your eyes, something for your nose, and some Claritin. That's a stunning view back up the valley with some locals watching me. Beautiful scene. People's hut, and then some rain in the distance.
Look, if you had one shot, this may be the only opportunity that I got. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you.
Tuesday morning, so I've come back down to 3 Pound Pool in order to try my luck again. So there's that waterfall that I showed earlier, and then this is the section that I reckon is perfect for Eurodurfing. That section there. There's a platypus there. There he is, he's on the water over there. Just dived down. There he is, he's on the water. Oh my goodness. Lucky am I. Dive down. Wow. There he is. Not the biggest fish to start the day with, but all good. Beautiful. See that platypus? Right there. He had a good look at me. Wow! I bought my BMW second-hand off a friend of mine, and I'm pretty sure he never did what I'm about to do in the car. That's a bit more scary than I thought it was going to be. I've seen lots of videos to New Zealand, and this is what I imagine it looks like. Stunning. Made it back to the car just in time. Big storm rolling in. Did it like a champion.